ever experienced the sensation that your thoughts possess the ability to mold your reality? Have you ever found yourself trapped in a routine, your aspirations seemingly just beyond your grasp, and days blending into one another? It's a frustrating sensation, isn't it? But here's the revelation: what if I were to tell you that the key lies within the power of your mind? Unlocking your dreams and aspirations isn't merely about exerting effort, but rather tapping into the potency of your own mind, particularly through visualization. As Gautama Buddha astutely stated, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. Understanding this, we realize that thought serves as the genesis of all creation. When we think, we conjure images in our minds, and these images are what we term visualization. Whenever someone is lost in thought, they're essentially visualizing scenarios in their mind's eye. This practice, though perhaps overlooked in the modern era, has been employed for millennia by countless successful individuals worldwide. Now, let's delve deeper into the realm of visualization, exploring effective methods to envision our dreams and goals as already realized. Visualization is akin to unraveling the mysteries of the impossible and making them feasible in the mind before they materialize in reality. William James, a venerable philosopher, once remarked, "The greatest discovery of my generation is that human beings can alter their lives by altering their attitudes of mind." Herein lies the essence of visualization. It's a potent instrument capable of reshaping the tapestry of your life in remarkable ways. Think of visualization as an architect sketching out blueprints prior to erecting a building. Similarly, you are the architect of your reality, and your dreams are the edifices you aspire to construct. So, how do you revolutionize your life's trajectory? This is the crux of our discussion today. Stay tuned until the end, as we unravel how visualization can serve as your clandestine ally in transcending obstacles and transforming dreams into tangible realities. But first, let's comprehend visualization itself. You can liken it to a dormant superpower within us all, one that we've simply forgotten how to wield effectively. You know those moments of daydreaming, envisioning acing a job interview or basking on a sunlit beach? Yet, visualization surpasses mere fantasizing. It involves crafting a mental movie where you assume the roles of director, scriptwriter, and protagonist, where you are both the vehicle and the driver of your aspirations. However, when it comes to leveraging visualization to shape our lives, it's about envisioning the desired life with utmost clarity, down to the minutest detail. It entails picturing yourself as the idealized version you aspire to become. For instance, envisioning yourself as a prosperous individual, relishing the joy, and witnessing the pride in your family's eyes. It's about envisaging not just the attainment of goals, but also the accompanying emotions and sensations. This process entails generating vivid mental images while imbuing them with genuine sentiments, fostering an unwavering belief in their eventual actualization. In essence, visualization isn't merely observing a scene, it's about immersing oneself in its emotional essence. Whether it's feeling the grains of sand beneath your feet, hearing the roar of the crowd, or inhaling the aroma of fresh paint in your new abode, each sensation must be vividly experienced. This immersive engagement with the envisioned scenario convinces the brain of its reality, thus catalyzing the manifestation process. Studies corroborate the efficacy of visualization in various domains. Whether one envisages robust health, financial freedom, or enriching relationships, the act of visualizing fosters alignment between one's desires and reality. By vividly picturing oneself healthy and robust, the mind begins to believe in the state, thereby setting in motion a series of physiological responses conducive to well-being. Similarly, visualizing financial success primes the mind to identify opportunities and make sound financial decisions, thus inching closer to the envisioned reality. To harness the full potential of visualization, one must grasp its underlying process. Imagine sculpting a personal masterpiece, an endeavor that may initially seem daunting but gradually becomes second nature with unwavering dedication. Firstly, you must conceptualize your dreams and aspirations, akin to an architect drafting blueprints before construction commences. This stage, termed idealization, entails delineating one's aspirations with utmost precision, thereby programming the subconscious mind with a clear trajectory toward fulfillment. Clarity and consistency constitute the bedrock of effective visualization. Clarity necessitates intricate detailing, wherein one vividly imagines oneself in the desired scenario, encompassing every sensory facet. Consistency, on the other hand, entails incessantly revisiting these mental images, ingraining them into one's consciousness through daily practice. Similar to nurturing a sapling, this persistent mental rehearsal nurtures the seeds of visualization, eventually culminating in their fruition. To exemplify this process, envision yourself on a luxurious yacht amidst a tranquil ocean, a scenario that transcends mere mental escapism. This exercise not only tantalizes the senses but also trains the mind to perceive this envisioned reality as attainable, thereby catalyzing its manifestation. Indeed, visualization is a transformative journey, one that instigates a paradigm shift in one's thoughts and beliefs, thus reshaping the surrounding reality. By harnessing the subconscious mind's formidable prowess, visualization serves as a catalyst for aligning actions with aspirations, thereby propelling one toward the desired destination. As Norman Vincent Peale aptly articulated, change your thoughts, and you change the world around you. Embrace this maxim as you embark on the voyage of visualization, for your mind is the canvas upon which your future is painted, and your thoughts the brushstrokes that imbue it with color and vitality.